これ、君がやったの？人だ。
Makima doesn't shout. She doesn't threaten. She doesn't chase power. And yet everyone around her slowly loses their free will. That's because the most dangerous form of control doesn't look like domination. It looks like care. Most characters try to control the world by force. Makima never does. She stands still. She speaks calmly, and reality bends around her. Psychologically, humans don't follow violence for long. They follow certainty. Makima is always certain. She never hesitates. She never doubts herself. And when someone shows no doubt, others begin to doubt themselves instead. Makima never orders people. She makes them feel chosen. A calm voice, a gentle smile, a sense of purpose. This is not leadership. This is psychological ownership. Because once someone believes you give their life meaning, they stop questioning your intentions. Makima doesn't take freedom away. She convinces people they never needed it. Makima's greatest experiment is Denji. She doesn't control him with fear. She controls him with hope. Approval becomes a reward. Affection becomes a leash. Denji doesn't obey because he's weak. He obeys because he wants to belong. And that's the most effective form of control. Making someone believe obedience is love. True control is silent. It doesn't demand loyalty. It replaces identity. Makima doesn't want followers. She wants instruments. People don't exist as equals to her, only as extensions of her will. And this is where control becomes loneliness. Control removes chaos, but it also removes connection. Makima cannot be understood, because understanding requires equality. She stands above everyone, untouchable, unchallenged, and completely alone. Makima never needed power. She understood something far more dangerous. People don't follow strength. They follow certainty.